Which of the following is the equation of a line in the xy plane that has slope 0? So it looks like we have a few sort of special coordinate geometry lines. So we can go over these real quick. So if you have a horizontal line, so something like this, that's going to always take the form of just y is equal to some constant. So, y is equal to 3. That should make sense because your x value is changing, but as it changes, your y value is always the same thing. And so this is going to have a slope of 0 because, it still technically is y equals mx plus b form, except just here our slope is 0, so it really sort of just ends up being y is equal to your y-intercept. So slope equals 0. If you are to have a vertical line like this, well, that is just going to be x is equal to some constant for the same reason, because your y value is changing here as we go up and down, but the x value just stays the same. So, x is equal to -2 or something in this case. And in this case, your slope is actually undefined. I guess that's it for now. So looking at our statements, so our first one says x is equal to 2, so that's not going to have a slope of 0. That's going to be one of these vertical lines, except just over here. So this slope is undefined, not the same thing as 0. So we can eliminate anything with a 1 in it. Y is equal to 3, so that's literally the example we came up with here. I don't know if that was subliminal, if I snuck a peek at it or what. But so this will have a slope of 0, so we need to have 2 in our answer choices, so C can be eliminated. Then the last one says x plus y is equal to 0, so that can be expressed as y is equal to -x would be the y equals mx plus b form, so this is going to be a line with a y-intercept of 0 and an x-intercept of 0, so it passes through the origin with a slope of -1, so that's going to look like this. So this does have a slope, it's -1. So the only one of our choices that has a slope of 0, meaning it's a horizontal line, is 2, B. Worth knowing, doesn't come up that often, but worth knowing this stuff.